It's the 17th of January 2023 and we're going to have another look at the Albury Central Business District. So won't you please join me?
Mates, with the good news for today. Mates, it's Mates, with the good news for today. Mates, it's Mates, with the good news for today.
And here's great news. All the exciting decorator curtainings for spring have arrived at Mates. And for 2 weeks only, Mates make your curtains absolutely free. 3 styles of curtains, rod pockets, gather tape and hooks or rings, pinch pleat tape and hooks. All you have to do is hang them. Just phone for Mates' easy do-it-yourself measure sheet. That's Mates' free curtain making for 2 weeks only on any material of your choice from Mates.
Mates, it's Mates, with the good news for today.
Yesterday's fashions are like yesterday's news. They're out. That's why Mates bring you new fashions every week. Like patio gowns by Modern Style, new summer light prints, and scores of prints to choose from with feminine swing skirts. Priced at only $12 each and a print to suit you. Come on in and choose. Get out of yesterday's fashions and into modern style patio wear. From Mates, the good news fashion people.
Mates, it's Mates, with the good news for today.
Please subscribe and click the bell